When I bought my small corner home, I wanted quiet more than anything. After 2 tours overseas and a spinal injury that never healed right, peace mattered. The HOA president, everyone called her Karen, made it clear from day one that peace would come on her terms. It started with parking. I had a disabled veteran placard and a doctor's letter explaining why I needed to park close to my front door. Karen said the rules were the rules. She fined me anyway. Then came the letters, warnings about my ramp, complaints about my service dog, threats of daily penalties if I didn't bring the property into compliance. I tried explaining. I showed her VA paperwork. I sent emails quoting the Fair Housing Act and the Americans with Disabilities Act. Karen replied with one sentence. The HOA does not make exceptions. Things escalated fast. One morning, I woke up to a tow truck backing toward my truck, the same truck, modified with hand controls. Karen stood there with crossed arms, smiling. I called the police, but she waved HOA paperwork like a shield, insisting she had authority. What Karen didn't know was that I'd already filed a formal complaint. Within weeks, federal investigators contacted the HOA. They requested records, emails, fines, internal votes. Karen panicked. Suddenly, the letters stopped. The fines were paused. She even knocked on my door once, offering to work something out. It was too late. The investigation found clear violations: failure to provide reasonable accommodations, harassment based on disability, and retaliation. Federal law doesn't care about HOA bylaws when civil rights are involved. The penalties were brutal. The HOA was fined heavily. They were ordered to rewrite their governing documents, undergo mandatory fair housing training, and erase every fine from my record. I received compensation for stress, legal costs, and the illegal towing attempt. Karen resigned the same week the decision came down. Now my ramp stays, my truck stays, my service dog naps on the porch without complaints. And the HOA meetings, they're very quiet when I walk in. I didn't ask for special treatment. I asked for basic respect, and the law made sure I got it. Because ignoring a disabled veteran isn't just heartless, it's illegal.